Yeah, we're just getting started on this job, getting everything staged, material coming up. We're going to be doing this hallway, and there's one, two, three bedrooms. We're just starting to lay out here. This is a nice plain plank, almost like a hickory look, and it's very light beige. 22 mil vinyl plank. So we're just getting started with it and proceeding from here, going out, we'll be finishing with all quarter rounds. So it's like about 520 square feet. We're going to be coming out here. It's going to be no doorway edges or transitions. It's going to come out seamlessly right out into the hallway and right through the other bedrooms. And here we have the finished installation. 520 square feet of this luxury vinyl plank, 22 mils in this light hickory, and 3 bedrooms and a hallway with no transitions going through the doorways. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, go to our video gallery, and you can see a lot more installations. Thank you for watching.